is we're looking into an issue where I'm only getting heat when I'm in motion, when my car is at RPMs above idle. As soon as I go into idle, whether it's a red light drive-through or if I crank my car up in the morning, it is cold. And then when I get the RPMs up above 1500, then I start getting my heat in. So that right there is an indicator that your thermostat is working, because if your thermostat wasn't working, your thermostat would be wide open, which means all of your coolant will be cooler than it should be, and your vehicle will still take its time getting warm, opposed to it getting warm instantly as soon as you hit the gas pedal. So the issue that you have when your heat is not putting out when you're at idle or when your vehicle is at a cold start in the morning is simply because you don't have enough coolant in your coolant system. All right, and what's happening is when you're sitting at idle, the RPMs don't have the water pump, the water flowing enough through the heater core, so that air going through the exchanger can regulate the temperature inside of the cabin of the vehicle. So when you're in motion, the RPMs are spinning up and they got that water flowing all in there, and it's keeping the water level up in the heater core. But as soon as you let off the gas, it drops down. It's just simply you don't have enough fluid in your radiator. So all you need to do is loosen up your radiator cap. I looked up the guys saying loosen up your heater core hose and all that stuff. You don't have to do it. Just wait till your vehicle is cool, raise your radiator cap, which I did yesterday. I wish I would have filmed yesterday, but my water level was at a level lower than what I could see, so I filled it up in here. Crunk the vehicle up, I let it idle for a few seconds. It still kind of sat a little low. And I checked in here, this was empty, I filled this up, and then I checked here again, and I went around and revved the car up just a few, maybe 1,000 RPM. The water sitting in here sucked in, and I filled it up a little bit more, which didn't take much. And after that, it was it. So, hey guys, short and sweet, that's all to it. Very easy fix. So, as you can see, wifey just pulled up, and I guess she want me to come help her out the car. So, I'm gonna help her out the car. I hope that video was informative to you. Real short and sweet, nothing hard at all, guys. So, get to it. Get under the hood and get that heat working. This is your boy Kurt A-Roll. I'm signing off. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe. The video is wintertime. Let's go ahead and get this stuff on these cars before it get too cold. You don't want to get too cold. You don't want to be out there messing with that car, so please take heed. Do it yourself. Get out there in the garage. Let's do it. Your boy Kurt A-Roll signing out. Peace.